Hi there and welcome. Yes, we are making potato cakes in the air fryer today. Some people call these potato pancakes or mashed potato pancakes. And a lot of the recipes I see out there call for adding flour into the mashed potatoes. This recipe has no flour involved, so that's a little plus. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cooks Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. So as you just saw, I have 2 beaten eggs. I have 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. May need to add a little bit more, but we'll just start off with 1 cup. This is the kind I'm using. Of course, you can use any kind of panko breadcrumbs you like. And in this bowl, I have 3 cups of mashed potatoes. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. You can use mozzarella, Gouda. And I have about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onion. I was going to use chives, but it's looking pretty sick right now, so we're going with the green onion. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. This will be to your taste. Give this a good mix. Get everything incorporated well. One thing I failed to mention, make sure your mashed potatoes are chilled. Otherwise, when you go to dip it into the egg, it's just going to probably fall apart. I'm going to grab 1 big heaping tablespoonful. You can shape these any way you want them. You can do them into balls. You can flatten them out. I think I'm going to flatten them out just a little bit, make little patties. Dip it into our egg mixture. We drip off that excess and into our panko. Just going to coat this real well. All right. And there we go. I will continue breading these up and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and placed the potato cakes in the air fryer basket. I did spray the basket first with oil. Now I'm going to spray the top lightly of our potato cakes with some olive oil. All right, we are ready to pop these in the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We are going to go 10 minutes, probably on the first side, and then we will flip them over and let them go the remaining 5 minutes. We are 10 minutes in. We have a nice golden brown. We are ready to flip these over. I will do that real quick. I have these flipped, and I'm going to spray the tops again with some olive oil. I got a clog. There we go. All right, good enough. I'm going to pop these back in and let them go the remaining 5 minutes. Okay, our 15 minutes is up. These are ready. I will plate them up real quick and we'll take a taste. All right, we are ready to take a taste. I drizzled a little bit of sour cream over the top and garnished it with some green onion. I hope that's focused. I can't tell. Very good. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. It is very crispy. Very flavorful. That doesn't look too good on camera, does it? But you know what? It's delicious. So there you go. If you have leftover mashed potatoes and don't know what to do with it, try this recipe out. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, you can check these out next. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.